Sir and ma'am, greetings from my side. I am Dia Kwani 22CS032, and as a part of my MCO project, my topic is Google's Tensor versus Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Today we are going to delve into a comparison between two giants in the world of mobile processor, Google Tensor and Qualcomm Snapdragon. Google and Qualcomm are two biggest of the name in the mobile processor industry. Recently, Google announced a new Tensor processor, which they claim will revolutionize the way smartphones operate. On the other hand, Qualcomm's Snapdragon processor has been a popular choice for many smartphone manufacturers for years. It has been quite popular in the mobile industries. In this section, we will discuss the differences between these two processors and what they bring to the table. What is Snapdragon processor? The Snapdragon SoC is a powerful smart processor. First on 28 nanometer process technology, latest is 14 nanometer, but now it has been 5 nanometer or 7 nanometers. Superior 4G LTE and 5G connectivity, uses ARM instruction set, combined intelligent augmented reality, which is AR, virtual reality, which we known as VR, and artificial intelligence AI features. 20% better AI performance per watt and 15% less power usage. Qualcomm Snapdragon. As we have earlier discussed in the previous slide, Qualcomm Snapdragon is a family of mobile system on chips designed and marketed by Qualcomm Technologies. Snapdragon processors are known for their high performance, power efficiency, and advanced connectivity features, which is why we know it is quite popular. The Snapdragon processor is used in a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. The latest Snapdragon processor are the 800 series, which is already in market right now, which are used in high-end smartphones and provide advanced features such as 5G connectivity, AI processing, advanced camera capabilities, which is needed in nowadays as in today's era the 5G connectivity and camera capabilities are the most required in any of mobile or tablets and anything. Specifications. Manufacturing process, as I said earlier, is nowadays is 7 nanometer or 5 nanometer. CPU, octa-core carrier 680 CPU up to 2.84 gigahertz. GPU, Adreno 660 GPU or up to 840 megahertz. Modem, Snapdragon X60 5G modem with support for sub 6 gigahertz giga and micrometer wave frequency. This is a specification which make Qualcomm Snapdragon processor the biggest in the market in mobile industries, as these specifications are required in today's era the most. Connectivity. This play a huge role right now because 5G is now it is the most required as speed is right now is the most essential thing in today's technology and fast growing world. 5G sub 6 gigahertz and micrometer wave support with peak download speeds up to 7.5 gigabytes per second and upload speed up to 3 gigabytes per second. Wi-Fi 6E support for 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi with peak speeds for up to 3.6 gigabytes per second. Comparison of specifications. Now, uh, when it comes to about the specification of this two biggest mobile industry processor, Google Tensor processor uses 5 nanometer processor technology, and its features are 8 CPU cores, 2 of which are high performance and 6 are high efficiency. Now, includes a 9-core GPU for graphics processing and has a dedicated tensor processing unit (TPU) for machine learning tasks. Whereas in Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, it uses 5 nanometer process technology, which is same as Google Tensor processor. And it features includes 8 CPU cores, including one high performance core and three high efficiency core. Includes a Adreno GPU for graphic processing, which refers from Google Tensor processor, and uses the hexagon processor for machine learning tasks. Now further specifications are CPU cores. Now Motion both processor have 8 CPU cores, but the Tensor processor has 2 high performance core compared to Qualcomm's one high performance core, which make Google Tensor more efficient than Qualcomm Snapdragon. GPU. The Tensor processor has 9-core GPU, while Qualcomm uses the Adreno GPU. Both are capable of handling graphic processing, but Tensor processor's GPU is more powerful, which is also a very key point that right now Google Tensor can also lead in the market. Machine learning. Both processors have dedicated components for machine learning, as we already discussed in the previous slide. But the Tensor processor has a TPU specifically designed for this purpose, while Qualcomm using Hexagon processor. Now, Google Tensor. Let's discuss about what is Google Tensor. Google Tensor's processor. Google Tensor processor is a new system on chip design specific for the latest generation of Google Pixel smartphones, which nowadays are in peak. It features a custom-built tensor processing unit (TPU) that provides excellent AI performance, making it one of the most powerful processor on the market. Performance comparison. When it comes to raw performance, both processors are impressive. Tensor offers Google's optimization for its software, providing excellent performance in Google Apps and services. Now, Snapdragon, being more generic, caters to a wider range of applications. The choice between them may depend on your specific needs for performance and efficiency. But based on some more performance comparison, first is speed. The Google Tensor processor is designed to be faster than its Snapdragon counterpart, with a clock speed of 2.8 GHz compared to the Snapdragon's 2.4 GHz. As we already learned that now Google Tensor promised that it will bring a very good change in today's market. This is what they are bringing in today's era. AI processing. The Tensor processor is specifically designed for AI processing, making it more efficient and capable of handling complex AI tasks compared to the Snapdragon. Now, graphics. The Snapdragon has a more powerful graphic processing unit, that is GPU, and then Tensor processor, making it better suited for gaming and other graphic intensive tasks. As gaming and this kind of stuff has already taken lead in in today's era, so graphic is the most important thing which Google know it is very well required, and they are bringing a very good change in that graphics and AI processing too. Conclusion. In conclusion, both Google Tensor and Qualcomm Snapdragons are powerful, but they have different strengths. They have their unique strengths and weaknesses. While Tensor processor is specifically designed for AI and machine learning tasks, the Snapdragon is a more versatile processor that can handle a variety of tasks. When comparing some specifications, Tensor processor has a higher number of AI cores, while the Snapdragon's processor has a higher clock speed and more efficient power consumption. In terms of performance, it ultimately depends on the specific use case and the software being run. Overall, both processors have their place in the market and are important players in the development of technology. The choice between them ultimately depends on your specific needs and the type of device you are using. So that's it. As we already know, that they are the big two giants in the world of mobile processor. Uh, so yes, they both have their own places, which we need to decide. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.